Alright, I'm out here in Aurora, Illinois. I guess I was supposed to work today, but this is what I'm going to show my boss. Say, you want me to work? You can forget about that. I don't see my car moving anywhere. I understand, this is my car. Ain't going anywhere. Right next to it is my van. If you see, it's not going anywhere. Oh my God, this blizzard was a doozy. Oh wow, let's just look around. Now debating should I try to trek up this hill to the store. I got the strangest feeling 7-Eleven is closed. I just don't know why I feel like that. Yeah, it's really nice out here. See, my thoughts is, if kids have a school day, have a snow day, how the hell adults can't have a snow day? Hey, I'm having me a snow day. Alright, well, let me go back in. Now y'all can imagine I stand 6 feet tall. You see pretty much just how deep the snow is. Oh, man. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, my God. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, man. That is pretty deep. Oh, Lord. Yeah, I think he can fold it up. I think I'll be working today. These are footsteps I made earlier. So, I can't say I have a snow day. This is my apartment here. Look at how the snow is. I stand 6 feet tall. This thing here is up to my waist. You see, like right where my hand is. That's how high the snow is. Okay. That there, my friend, is pretty deep. Yeah, I got the strangest feeling I won't be going to work today. All right. Blizzard, February 2nd, 2011, Aurora, Illinois. Holla.